Here's a clip on the timeline of Davinci Resolve. I go there, I click on it, and let's say I want to split it. I press Ctrl B on the keyboard, and what happens? Only the video portion is split and the audio portion is not split. So why is this happening? Well, first of all, let's take a look at these signs. So here the video portion has these two circular things and the audio also has it. And this clip, let's undo it, this clip does not have that one in the beginning. So first of all, select both your audio and video, right click on them and make sure this link clips is selected, and after that those two signs appear there. Let's select the video, Ctrl B, and if it's still not splitting the audio, notice this one's missing, then do the following thing: undo with Ctrl Z, make sure this one is selected. Notice the icon is identical to this one, so this also has to be checked. Ctrl Shift L is the hotkey, and then even if you select one, notice both of them are selected. Ctrl B, and both of them are split, both the video and the audio. So if this one is unselected and if you select one, notice only the top one is selected. Check that one, deselect, select it again, and notice the video and the audio is selected. And now you can press Ctrl B and it's splitting both the audio and the video.